Today we're gonna make a triple berry smoothie with yogurt. The recipe has raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries, which I have them separate, but usually I find a bag of a berry mix at the grocery store in the freezer aisle, and that's where this recipe came from. With every smoothie recipe, you always put the liquid ingredients at the bottom of your blender, so I'm starting out with some milk. You can use almond milk, regular milk, whatever milk that you use in your smoothies. Now, some of the liquid is replaced by yogurt. I do consider yogurt to be a healthy add-in on my smoothies because it thickens it, at the same time it adds protein, and it tastes really good. Now, whether you use plain yogurt, vanilla yogurt, just use whatever you have around. Now, if you have no yogurt, you can definitely just use milk instead. I have a frozen banana that I keep in my freezer for this sort of thing, so we're gonna add that right there. And if you're using the berry mix, you would just add 1 large cup scoop of that into your blender, but I'm gonna use my raspberries, the blueberries, and strawberries. Now, something about using frozen fruit directly in a smoothie, it helps make your smoothies thicker, and that's why all the smoothie recipes, you often see them with frozen fruit. If your fruit is room temperature or from the fridge, just simply add a couple of ice cubes and you're good to go. Now, this recipe is super sweet and delicious, so it is a good recipe to add a little bit of spinach, and I just have some chopped spinach that I'm going to add, but this is optional, and because there's banana and berries, it's not gonna come through at all. It's gonna taste so delicious. Let's give our smoothie a good blend right here. All right, guys, let's check out our smoothie. It looks dark berries, delicious. So good, delicious. Tastes like berries, the banana, but you can barely taste it, and definitely you have no idea that there's spinach in there. Now, if you want to make this smoothie a complete meal, you can always add a scoop of protein powder to the blender or to there's 2 servings in here, and have a great meal replacement. Cheers, and grab the recipe right below.